frustrated of using your old and slow laptop for coding? In this video we will explore some of the possible solutions for the query. The speed up old laptop for programming. We offer two possible solutions to this problem. Upgrading from HDD to SSD offers great boost in performance for very little investments. SSDs do not contain any moving parts, therefore they typically last longer than HDD. SATA SSD offers speed up to 200 MB per second to 550 MB per second. As you can see in the benchmark provided, the average read rate is 89.7 MB per second for HDD. SSD Benchmarks shows that the average read speed is 380.9 MB per second, which is roughly 4.2 times faster than that of HDD. Using Linux-based operating systems. Linux offers various options when it comes to operating systems. Linux-based operating systems can make your laptops function faster as it is not heavy on resources of the laptop. Linux offers better RAM management, therefore using it for day-to-day activities is quite hassle-free, and it also runs well on aging hardware. We have monitored resource usage using same laptop dual-booted with Windows and Linux operating system. The screenshot shows that the Windows operating system uses 37% of memory for idling. Ubuntu, which is a Linux distribution, uses only 13.3% of the memory, which is significantly less than that of the Windows. We have picked up a few SATA SSDs for you in the description. Please do like, share and subscribe for videos related to machine learning, programming and technical reviews.